Bonjour. Hi, guys. I hope you're doing awesome. Today we're learning about drinks, so just a few distance learning instructions before we begin. Make sure that you adjust the volume so that you can hear. You can also pause or rewind this video whenever necessary. Make sure that you are participating fully. So that means if your partner is not there, make sure you are finding one. That is up to you. Make sure we're following our 5 classroom rules. Mouths are quiet, eyes are watching, ears are listening, body still, follow directions quickly. And as always, no hall pass, no phones, no Chromebook unless it's for a specific activity when we have a guest teacher. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Ouvrez vos Chromebooks, s'il vous plaît. Ouvrez vos Chromebooks et allez sur tinycards.duolingo.com. tinycards.duolingo.com. Today we're working on EF space 05.02. You should be learning drinks. If you're not learning different drink vocabulary words, you are on the wrong tiny card set. Guest teacher, please pause this video, set a timer, give students 5 minutes to work on their Chromebooks on tinycards.duolingo.com, lesson EF space 05.02. Ok, très bien. Fermez vos Chromebooks, s'il vous plaît. Fermez vos Chromebooks et ouvrez vos agendas. Aujourd'hui, I can state what drinks I like and dislike. Okay, I can state what drinks I like and dislike. Let's go ahead and get that written down. I can state what drinks I like and dislike. When you want to say something, please raise your hand. Don't forget to wait until the teacher is done talking. For example, don't interrupt directions. The teacher is very likely to answer your question, so wait until they're done. If you have a comment to make sure it is relevant for the whole class. If not, it's best to share it with the teacher alone or maybe just to your neighbor instead of the whole class. Alors, une révision. We're going to go ahead and play a vocabulary race. So we can have our guest teacher roll a dice, find out how many euros you are getting if you win. If they can't find the dice, I didn't bring it out, no worries. You just tell me if you won when I'm back, and I will roll the dice and see how much each person wins. So again, you're racing against your elbow partner. You've got to say what the word or the food is in French first. So racing against your elbow partner. We're starting in 3, 2, 1, go. La crêpe. 3, 2, 1. Le sandwich. 3, 2, 1. La glace. 3, 2, 1. Le steak. 3, 2, 1. La salade. 3, 2, 1. Le steak frites. 3, 2, 1. L'hamburger. 3, 2, 1. La pizza. 3, 2, 1. L'hot dog. Très bien. 3, 2, 1. Le croissant. Bien. 3, 2, 1. L'omelette. Bien. 3, 2, 1. Oh, je m'excuse. Okay. Check, see if you are the winner. And then let's go ahead and get you paid. Or mark it on your paper so I know when I'm back. Alors, répétez s'il vous plaît. Tu as faim? Oui, j'ai faim. Non, je n'ai pas faim. So what are we asking when we ask tu as faim? Good, we're asking are you hungry? And if we answer oui, j'ai faim? Yes, I'm hungry. And if we answer non, je n'ai pas faim, then we're not a teenager because we're not hungry. Alors, we can also use, when we're talking about foods, we didn't quite get to it yesterday, we can use préfères-tu. So like, do you prefer this or this? And then we can answer je préfère, and whichever one we prefer. Alors, let me see if I can do this so you can see my face. Okay, here we go. I gotta be way back here. Hopefully you can hear me. Alors, répétez, j'adore. No, it's not gonna go for it. Okay. J'aime beaucoup. J'aime un peu. Je n'aime pas tellement. Je déteste. Let's do those again, and then I won't have to come on the video later, hopefully. Alors, répétez, j'adore. J'aime beaucoup. J'aime un peu. Je n'aime pas tellement. Je déteste. Excellent. Alors, tournez à la page 2, s'il vous plaît. Tournez à page 2 dans vos paquets. Focus pour aujourd'hui. Write whether or not you like the following items en français. So we're going to be writing full sentences in French. You can use j'aime, je n'aime pas, but even better is going to be our 5-star sentence starters. Oh, j'adore le steak frites. J'aime beaucoup la glace. Je n'aime pas tellement le croissant, whatever it happens to be. So full sentences in French, whether or not you like these food items, and then try and give me your 5-star sentence starters on these instead of just j'aime or je n'aime pas. Guest teacher, please pause the video. Set a timer for students to work for 4 minutes on their focus on page 2 in their packets. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at these. So these I just did j'aime and je n'aime pas. So you can see how they look. But again, if you did those 5-star sentence starters, even better. So number 1, j'aime le steak or je n'aime pas le steak. 2, j'aime la crêpe or je n'aime pas la crêpe. 3, j'aime la salade or je n'aime pas la salade. 4, j'aime le croissant or je n'aime pas le croissant. 5, j'aime l'omelette or je n'aime pas l'omelette. Was there not 6? I don't remember. Alors. Oh, wow, I forgot ice cream. How did I forget ice cream? Number 6, j'adore la glace. So let's go ahead. I can state what foods I like/dislike. Rouge, jaune, ou vert. Rouge, jaune, ou vert. I can state what foods I like or dislike. And hopefully you didn't forget number 6 like I did. Just so excited. I skipped over ice cream because everyone loves it. Alors, répétez s'il vous plaît, les boissons. Bien, répétez les boissons. Le soda, le jus d'orange, le jus de pomme, le jus de tomate, le jus de raisin, la limonade, le café, le thé, de l'eau minérale, le chocolat chaud. Bien, en anglais, s'il vous plaît. En anglais, le chocolat chaud. Hot chocolate, bien. De l'eau minérale. Water, mineral water, bien, ça va. Le thé. En anglais, le café. Coffee, excellent. La limonade. En anglais, le jus de raisin. Not raisin juice, grape juice. Bien, le jus de tomate. Le jus de pomme. Apple juice, excellent. En anglais, le jus d'orange. Le soda. And en anglais, what are les boissons? They're drinks. Excellent. Répétez les boissons. Le soda. Le jus d'orange. Le jus de pomme. Le jus de tomate. Le jus de raisin. La limonade. Le café. Le thé. De l'eau minérale. Le chocolat chaud. Okay, now hot chocolate in France is not normal hot chocolate. When they say hot chocolate, that's different than hot cocoa. That's what we generally have, like water or milk mixed with some sort of cocoa powder. Le chocolat chaud in French is actually hot melted chocolate. And it is amazing. I'll have the sub show you a video, but it's super rich. It will come in a smaller container just because you don't need a lot because it's so yummy. De l'eau minérale, bottled water, is very popular over in Europe. You can get lots of different brands from different countries. Like Evian is a brand that's a French brand. Le thé is tea. That's common there, as is le café, especially like after meals. They might have some coffee or some tea like after dinner. La limonade, lemonade, is also popular there. You can also get something called le citron pressé, where you basically get to make your own lemonade. They'll give you lemon juice and sugar and water, and you'll get to kind of make your own. So that's sort of fun, a citron pressé. Le jus de raisin, so grape juice. Yes, a raisin. Le raisin is a grape in French. And you'll notice this picture isn't of purple grapes because French people are known for making their wine, especially like Bordeaux region of France. And so they actually don't really use the purple or the red grapes to make just grape juice because they feel like that's a waste of the good quality grapes that should be going to wine. So most often if you're getting grape juice in France, it's going to be out of like the green or yellow grapes, whatever you call them. Le jus de tomate. You'll notice French people drinking lots of juices. The fresh juices are my favorite. They have a really cool machine in France that you can see at lots of like the cafes or places that will have breakfast, that you'll put these oranges in a basket and then like they'll go down the machine and it will freshly squeeze the orange juice for you. And there's just nothing better than that to start your morning with a croissant or pain au chocolat. Soda, they are also soda drinkers. They also have some different ones though. Like in this picture, we can see some Orangina. Orangina is kind of like fizzy orange juice, like it has pulp in it. Again, it's one of those, don't knock it till you try it. Okay, bien, répétez s'il vous plaît. Les boissons. Le soda. Le jus d'orange. Le jus de pomme. Le jus de tomate. Le jus de raisin. La limonade. Le café. Le thé. De l'eau minérale. Le chocolat chaud. So guest teacher, let's go ahead and pause this video now and play the other video link that I have for you about hot chocolate. And then once you're done watching that, you can come back to this lesson video. Ok, tournez à la page 5, s'il vous plaît. Tournez à la page 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so yesterday we labeled our food items. Today we need to label our drinks. Okay, a couple of hints with the drinks. The lemonade has 2 lemons on it. The hot chocolate is in like a hot chocolate mug. And the coffee's in the big wider one that looks almost more like a bowl. Okay, so make sure you're paying attention to the pictures and you're going to label the drink items on page 5 in French. So guest teacher, please pause this video. Give students about 3 minutes to label the drink items in French on page 5 of their packets. Okay. Bien. Are we feeling good with these? Okay, now that I can show you the video, we're going to do it the normal way today of French and be fit. Try and see how far back I have to be. Adore. Okay, so j'adore is going to be way up here. So répétez, j'adore. J'aime beaucoup is at our shoulders. J'aime un peu is at our waist. Go really far back. Hopefully you can hear me. Je n'aime pas tellement is at our knees. And then all the way down touching our toes is je déteste. Okay, so let's try that again. So j'adore. J'aime beaucoup. J'aime un peu. Je n'aime pas tellement. Je déteste. Okay, let's go through these. You're going to show me how much you like these different drinks. Les boissons. I'll do it with you. If I disappear, it means I don't like it. Okay? Alors, répète. Oh, le soda. Le jus d'orange. Le jus de pomme. Le jus de tomate. Le jus de raisin. La limonade. Le café. Le thé. De l'eau minérale. Le chocolat chaud. Excellent. Let's do it this way, the wide way. Alors, répétez, j'adore. J'aime beaucoup. J'aime un peu. Je n'aime pas tellement. Je déteste. Excellent. Alors, tournez à la page 4, s'il vous plaît. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tournez à la page 4, s'il vous plaît. So just like yesterday, we wrote a 5-star sentence about our foods. Today we're going to write 5-star sentences for drinks. So you're going to use j'adore, j'aime beaucoup, j'aime un peu, je n'aime pas tellement, or je déteste. For example, I hate grape juice. Like, not happening. So I'm going to write je déteste le jus de raisin on my paper. However, I like orange juice a lot, so I'm going to write j'aime beaucoup le jus d'orange when I get to orange juice. And when I get to hot chocolate, I'm going to write j'adore le chocolat chaud because that's something I love. So start with lemonade, la limonade. And you're going to do these all the way through le jus de raisin. You're going to write full sentence in French stating how much you like these different food or drink items. Guest teacher, please pause the video. Set a timer for students to work for 4 minutes. On page 4 of their packet, they should be writing full sentences in French in their middle column of the table about how much they like the different drinks. Ok, bien. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. Le soda. Le jus d'orange. Le jus de pomme. Le jus de tomate. Have you figured out what's the word for juice yet in French? Le jus. Good. Répétez. Le jus de raisin. La limonade. Le café. Le thé. De l'eau minérale. Le chocolat chaud. Aimer. J'aime. Je n'aime pas. So remember, ne pas sandwich around our verb. So je n'aime pas. N apostrophe because remember, vowels don't like being by each other in French in different words. So the NE of our ne pas sound changes to an N apostrophe. Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. Alors, répétez s'il vous plaît. Aimes-tu la pizza? Oui, j'adore la pizza. Aimes-tu la glace? Avec le brocoli? Non, je déteste la glace. Avec le brocoli. Excellent. Bien répétez. J'adore. J'aime beaucoup. J'aime un peu. Je n'aime pas tellement. Je déteste. Alors, on va parler. On va parler avec votre partenaire de coude. So we're both going to ask. We're both going to answer about drinks with our elbow partner. So if you're the elbow partner closer to the screen, you need to follow the bouncing screen because it's going to switch spots, okay? But we're both going to ask. We're both going to answer because we're different. We have our own opinions and preferences, so we're going to like and dislike different things. So, aimes-tu le soda? 3, 2, 1, go. Le thé. Le café. De l'eau minérale. Le chocolat chaud. Le jus d'orange. Le jus de pomme. La limonade. Le jus de raisin. Le jus de tomate. Alors, ça va bien? Ça va comme ci, comme ça ou ça va mal? Ça va bien? Easy peasy lemon squeezy? Good. Alors, répétez j'aime. Je n'aime pas. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes boire? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes boire? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes boire? So yesterday we learned qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? What do you like to eat? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes boire? What do you like to drink? Alors, répétez qu'est-ce que tu aimes boire? J'aime boire le chocolat chaud. Excellent. Avec votre partenaire d'œil, we're both going to answer. We're both going to ask, qu'est-ce que tu aimes boire? We're going to respond, j'aime boire, and whatever drink we've learned that we like to drink. So, qu'est-ce que tu aimes boire? 3, 2, 1, go. Bien, tournez à la page 5, s'il vous plaît. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tournez à la page 5, s'il vous plaît. Same thing as yesterday. You are going to ask your classmates the following questions. Comment t'appelles-tu? And qu'est-ce que tu aimes boire? and you're going to record their name under the picture of the drink that they say that they prefer. So let's go ahead and practice. Répétez. Comment t'appelles-tu? Je m'appelle Madame C. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes boire? J'aime boire de l'eau minérale. And then you're going to find the picture of the water, and under that, you're going to write Madame C. Okay, so we're going to be walking around the classroom, asking comment t'appelles-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Oui, je m'excuse. Wow, I'm on autopilot. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes boire? They're going to answer full sentences in French. There should be no English spoken whatsoever the next 3 minutes. So let's go ahead, stand on up and get asking. Guest teacher, please pause this video. Give students 3 minutes to go around the classroom and ask these students and record who likes what drink. Ça va bien? Ça va comme ci, comme ça, ou ça va mal? Ça va bien? Superbe. Kiss those brains. Nice job. You are working hard. Alors, répétez, tu as soif? Oui, j'ai soif. Non, je n'ai pas soif. Tu as soif? Good. So what do we think tu as soif is asking? Yesterday we learned, are you hungry? Today we're learning, are you thirsty? Technically, we're asking, do you have hunger? Do you have thirst? Because we're assuming most of you are humans and you're not like aliens or vampires or zombies. So that's what you are. So you have hunger, you have thirst, you have your age. You are not your age, you are not your hunger, you are not your thirst. So tu as soif is actually like technically, do you have thirst? But in English, we always say improperly, we say, are you thirsty? Are you hungry? So there's your little grammar lesson for the day. We should be saying, do you have thirst? Do you have hunger? So tu as soif, are you thirsty? Do you have thirst? Oui, j'ai soif. Yes, I'm thirsty. Yes, I have thirst. Non, je n'ai pas soif. No, I'm not thirsty. I don't have thirst. Okay. Instead of doing the chain, let's go ahead and just ask everyone at our table. You're going to ask tu as soif. They're going to answer either oui, j'ai soif or non, je n'ai pas soif. Okay, tu as soif. Oui, j'ai soif. Non, je n'ai pas soif. Okay, you need to ask everybody at your table. So take turns. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, merci. We're going to spend the rest of our time on Quizlet. I will hopefully get the Quizlet live directions to the teacher. If you guys cannot figure out playing Quizlet live, though hopefully you can, because that's going to be a lot of fun for you. If that does not work out, backup plan is you're going to go to Google Classroom and under classwork, Unit 7, you're going to find practice, food, and drink Quizlet, and then you can just play the different games on your own. So again, if Quizlet Live does not work for you guys as a class with the guest teacher, then just on your own, you're going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to click on the classwork tab and then scroll down, find Unit 7, and find the practice, food, and drink Quizlet link. But hopefully you guys will be able to help the guest teacher to set up Quizlet Live and you get to play until the bell rings. Have fun!